What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Life Outdoors, and today we're doing things a little bit differently. I didn't bring a GoPro out. I've got the good mic out here today, and I just wanted to get out and do a little bit of trout fishing. Nothing crazy, just going for some nice small coastal stream cutthroat trout, and hopefully just make a nice peaceful episode. Thanks for tuning in, and not going to be talking too much on this one, just letting the river do its thing. So enjoy. Oop, there's a fish. Little guy. He's trying to eat it. Should get a good bite out of here too. Oh, there he is. They're so little. Might need to switch to a really small midge for these ones. Got some really tiny trout in this system. But still, trout's a trout. Oh, hey, there it is. All right, on to the next pool. Oh, we have him. Little guy, but still. I'm watching a hatch right now, and the bugs are a lot smaller than what I'm throwing, so my fly will stand out, but it might just be too big for these little guys to eat up really successfully. There we go. Oh, and he's off. God, I love this. And just like that, moving on to the next pool. There's definitely fish up in this one. Oh, that looks like a little bit better. No room to back cast really, so. All right, there we go, first fish. Beautiful little cutty. Perfect colors. Just a gorgeous little cutthroat. Oh, all right. So we're getting lots of eats. We just need to find a little bit bigger fish. Which, in this kind of system, you can't really do on purpose. Just keep fishing. Oh, I watched a fish chase it. That was cool. Alright, let's keep it moving upstream. There it is. Another beautiful little specimen. Right back in. Just keep weeding through the smaller fish until we find the one we're after. The little guy didn't want to let go. That's pretty cool. Hey! Whew. Oh, that's a better one. There we go. All right. Another nice cutty. Really pretty markings on this guy. Or girl. Here goes the bow and arrow cast. Oh, right into the corner. Exactly where I wanted to be. There should be somebody home over there. Wow. Wow. Fascinating. Nobody home in the juicy corner. Interesting. Right here under Big Rock. No. Okay. Let's keep on moving up. There we go. That's what we've been looking for. That's a better fish. Ooh, taking me downstream a little bit. All right, buddy. Cool. That's a great little cutthroat. And that is more so the size range that we were looking to get into today. Get a little video for you guys of the release on this one. It's a beautiful, beautiful cutty. And that's just perfect. Gorgeous fish. Back in the water. That's what we want to see. They're here, guys. The bigger fish are here. Just about finding them. There should be a few more in this pool. This is a pretty big pool. This is a extremely juicy looking line. I'm gonna fish these bottom bits here first. Should get a couple down here. Oh, that was a little guy. We don't mind losing the little guys. Oh, another little guy. Very cool. Very fun. Little guys need love too. Right there. What? No way. Here we go. Right next to this rock, good current break. Should be a little trout sitting there. One would think. No. There was, but that was the little one that I already stung. Little guy's holding down the fort, I guess. Alright, we'll move up a little bit. Keep fishing. Oh man. No way.